Hello everyone. In the last tutorial video, we used LabVIEW to create a user interface. In this video, we are going to show you circuit part. At first, you need some LEDs and resistors and Arduino, and this is the COM port and this is the virtual terminal. So how can we get all the components that we are going to use here? You already know from the previous Proteus lecture. So click on this P. Make sure you are in the component mode, then you have to click on P. So P means peak devices here. So you will get a new window like this. So here is the keywords. You have to write here the component's name, write Arduino. As we are going to use the Arduino Uno, see Arduino Uno is here. And you can see a preview here after selecting the component. So if you double click on it, it will appear here. So next we want to add some resistors. So I will write a RES here and scroll a little bit down. So here is the resistor RES and generic resistor symbol. Double click on it and it will appear here. So we also want to add LED. So let's write LED here. And we can choose multiple LED here, or we can say multiple color LED. So I choose here green, or you can choose any active library LED different color from here. So this is blue, yellow, this is green amber, this is red green, this is only green, only blue. So anything you like. So double click on it and now we will select the COM. COM. So this is the COM port physical interface model. So you have to use it for the TX-RX communication. So double click on this and it will appear here. So let's go back to our editing window. So at first you have to organize the components or place the components like this way. Like you can click on the LED and then you can place here. You can click on the resistor and you can place here like this way. So just you can connect in this way. And you can find the ground in the terminal mode. So go to terminal and select ground and place it here and connect this one. If you remember, in LabVIEW we used 4 LED buttons in our user interface. So make sure you change the resistor value. So as we programmed for 4 LEDs, so we will keep only 4 LEDs here and we will not keep this one. So let's delete this one. So the next task is with the COM-PIM. Then again go to the components mode and you have to place it like this. And be sure the TX line in this case should go to the TX line and the RX line should go to the RX line. So here the RXD goes to RXD and the TXD goes to TXD. And to show the data, whose data is passing this line, we place a virtual terminal here and connect this RXD line to RXD line because it will receive the data. So both the RXD line should connect to the TXD and RXD line because we want to see the data which will send by Arduino and which will also receive by Arduino. So this is our circuit. So we don't need to do anything else here. And for the COM port, just double click on it and be sure it is connected with COM port 1. Later you can change it, but for the time being connect it with that COM on, and the baud rate it is 9600. Because we will work with 9600, physical data bits 8, parity none, virtual baud rate also 9600, virtual data bits 8, and virtual parity is none. So be sure it is same like as my one. So our Proteus part is done. So save it